What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am going to be discussing a rack system that is powering up a distributed audio system for a mall here in Lewisville, Texas. I do want to give a shout out to the mall. This is Music City Mall, and they're doing something really cool in this space. Live music throughout the entire mall. A bunch of stages and then one big stage right in the middle. Super cool. Guys, obviously we're still recovering from COVID, and we're doing everything that we can to protect ourselves as well as they are protecting you guys by maintaining that social distancing, wearing their masks. So I just want to give a big shout out to this mall. They're, doing everything they can to get you guys to shop local. So make sure to stop in and check it out. All right, guys, well, we're gonna discuss everything that is in this rack. If you would like to purchase anything here, or if you would like to just have us out for a free design service, we do free consultations, and all we ask is that you purchase from us. We can help set up your small business or anything you need for your home. We are your go-to specialist with that guaranteed lowest price and the nationwide free shipping, as well as our extensive installer network. All right, guys, well, let's get into this video. Enough talking about it. What is this stuff? Let's go.
Hey, this is Miles Foreman with BTZ Audio Video. I'm at the home location of this mall project we've been working on. This is the rack. We moved the entire rack in here from a different location that it had been for probably the better part of 25 years, and moved all the wiring into this electrical room. We changed all the amplifiers out because none of them worked. Now we have more of a future-proof amplifier in the sense that they're much smaller, much more efficient, and they're IP controllable. So with this Oversee app, we can actually walk around the mall, be on their Wi-Fi, and control each section's volume. And then we also have a very nice digital mixer that does the same thing, that can help control the shaping of the sound, what we want to listen to. We have their mood music service that they play, and then we also added a Sonos system so the center stage can be connected wirelessly to the head end. So the end result is whatever's playing on the main stage out in the middle of the mall can be heard throughout the speaker system anywhere you're standing.
We even have the networking covered up here at the Arachnus.
That's right. We had one spot left over in the other switch, so we stole that spot, brought a cable over here, and added 15 more. So that's Zach and my favorite brand to use.
Yeah, we use that all the time.
Arachnus a lot.
Some good quality stuff.
Exactly.
Reasonably priced too.
And Episode's part of the same family of products. So
yep.
they have very good, affordable amplifiers.
Absolutely. All right, thanks, Miles. Well, I appreciate you showing our client set. If you guys would like to purchase anything for your business that you see here, or even if you just don't know what you need, guys, we are audio video specialists. We can do anything that you can dream. Just give us a ring and we'll get you hooked up with that free design service, and then you have the peace of mind whenever you buy, knowing that you're going to get the guaranteed lowest price anywhere locally as well as on the internet. So there's no reason not to shop with us. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, well, that is a wrap on this commercial video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it informative in helping you set up your system. If you'd like to purchase anything, give us a ring and show your support, guys. Again, guaranteed lowest price. We would love to earn your business. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.